Hey guys, welcome to Next Gen Tech, and in this video I'm gonna unboxing and a quick review of the ASUS TUF A15 gaming laptop. The one I have is a Ryzen 9 with a 1660 Ti graphics card. So in this video we're gonna play some games, run some benchmark. I'm gonna see if this laptop is worth paying 90,000. So let's get started with the unboxing. So here is the box itself with the TUF branding on the top. So let's get to the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and get. So here's the laptop itself. We're gonna put this aside and wanna see what else we get in the box. And here you have the charging brick. Here you get the power cord for the charging brick. So that's it for the box. Let's keep aside. So here is the laptop itself with the grey finish, when ASUS called it a Fortress Grey, with the ASUS TUF logo on the top, and here is written TUF Gaming, as you can see. Let's check the back side of the laptop. Here you can see, guys, they have gone with the honeycomb design with some vents. These all vents are the intake vents through which the cold air can go inside the laptop, and the design looks really cool to me. Let's check out the rear section of this laptop, guys. As you can see, this laptop comes with the two exhaust vents on the either side, as this laptop comes with the dual self-cleaning fans for better cooling, and the orange accent inside the vents looks really cool to me as it matches with the TUF theme. Let's look at the right side of this laptop, guys. Here you can see there is an speaker grill along with an USB 2.0 Type A port with some more exhaust vent and a Kensington lock. Coming to the left side of this laptop, guys, first of all you can see there is a charging port along with an RJ45 Ethernet port with an HDMI 2.0B port with two USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A port and an USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C DP 1.4 port, which supports an external display also, and along with a 3.5mm audio jack and another speaker grill. Now let's open this laptop, and we can see there is another vent above the keypad along with 4 LED indicators. One for the power, then a charging, then a hard disk and an airplane mode. And there is another red LEDs on the power button also. I really like the brushed metal finish. It gives the notebook a sleek and a futuristic look. ASUS also claims that this laptop has military grade durability as it has gone through many tests. It has a honeycomb design and a self-cleaning fan, which I already mentioned before. It also has a second SSD slot, ASUS Aura RGB, a military grade durability and a DTS:X Ultra sound. The display supports 144Hz refresh rate with adaptive sync. So let me set it up. In the meanwhile, here is the system overview. This laptop comes with a 15.6-inch Full HD anti-glare display with 144Hz refresh rate with wide angle viewing. It's powered by an AMD Ryzen 9 4900H along with an GTX 1660 Ti 6GB graphics card. It has an 8x2 dual-channel DDR4 RAM clocked at 3200 MHz with an 1TB 5400 RPM hard drive and a 512GB PCIe Gen 3 SSD. Now coming to the keyboard, this laptop has a desktop-style keyboard which is optimized for gaming. We usually don't see a full-size keyboard in a gaming laptop, and it also has an highlighted WASD buttons. This keyboard also has an overstroke technology. in which the travel distance is very low, which makes it faster and responsive while playing games. And each key is durable enough to withstand over 20 million presses, as ASUS claims. The display feels really smooth due to the 144Hz. As you can see, I am scrolling right now and there is no lag or jitteriness. Now let's see how the speaker of this laptop sounds.
Hello guys, if you're a CSGO lover, you're gonna absolutely love today's video because we're gonna do a quick unboxing and a review of my HyperBeast mousepad that I got recently. For all others out there who doesn't know what HyperBeast is an in-game gun skin that you get to see in CSGO, which is a fan favorite across the globe. So without any
This is the laptop software named Armoury Crate, where you can manually increase or decrease the performance of the laptop. As you can see, there are like 4 options. One is window, one is silent, one is performance, and one is turbo. As you can see, as I am clicking each of the modes, and the stats of the system is also getting changed. The last option, which is the turbo option, is only toggled when your laptop is connected with the power, and make sure you keep it on turbo mode while playing games, as the dedicated GPU only works in the turbo mode. And here are all the 4 lighting modes of the keyboards. You can also change the keyboard's lighting mode using the function key and the arrow left and right keys, and for the brightness you can use the arrow up and down key on the keyboard. Now you're gonna play some games on this laptop like CSGO, Cyberpunk 2077 and Valorant, and you're gonna see how the stats looks like. And in the end, you're gonna see the Cinnamon score.
Changing mags. Thermite!
Securing Charlie. Changing mag.
Cyber
Now let's hear the fan noise on turbo mode while playing games. So for the price of 90k, you are getting a Ryzen 9 coupled with a GTX 1660 Ti 6GB, which can handle any task you throw at it, from normal tasks to video editing and gaming. So if you are out in the market for a gaming laptop, you can have a look at this one. So if you like this video, do smash the like button, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any question regarding this laptop, you can comment down below. You can also follow us on our social handles. Until then, see you next time.